Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Kabe, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Chicken drumsticks. Cut slits on chicken. Add black pepper powder. Add salt to taste. Mix well and marinate. Add cooking oil. Add chicken drumsticks. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Flip sides. Cover and continue cooking on low to medium flame. Remove lid and flip sides. Cover and continue cooking on low to medium flame. Remove lid and flip sides. Cover and continue cooking on low to medium flame. Remove lid and flip sides. Remove contents from the vessel and set aside. Add cooking oil. Add finely chopped garlic. Fry until golden brown. Add red chili flakes. Mix well and continue cooking. Add soya sauce. Mix well and continue cooking. Add vinegar. Add tomato ketchup. Mix well and continue cooking. Add salt to taste. Mix well and continue cooking. Add water. Cover and simmer. Add honey. Mix well and continue cooking. Add chicken drumsticks. Cover and simmer. Remove lid and flip sides. Cover and simmer. Sweet and sour chicken is ready. Dish out your masterpiece. Pour sauce on top. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Sprinkle green onions. Delicious sweet and sour chicken is ready. It can be served with red chili sauce or hot sauce. Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.